Okay guys, here you are having the next question. Find the equation of circle passes through 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 having the center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. This is the given question. Now we should solve this given question. Now to solve this, just get on to the process. Okay, to solve this particular equation, guys, nothing happens. There is nothing different over here. You guys, first of all, they have mentioned 2 points, 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5, right? They have mentioned 2 points, and then they have mentioned the equation. They're asking to find out the equation of circle. So what is the general equation of circle? That's x square plus y square. X square, let me write down here, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the general equation of the circle. Now what you do, guys, same process where we actually practiced, where we did in the previous questions. Same method, guys. They had, first of all, they have given 3 points. Okay, they have given 3 points, and we solved all those 3 points. We got an equation from that, and we got to know, we got the value of g, f and c. Okay, we got the value of g, f and c finally. So that's what the same process goes over here. You should find out g value, f value and c value in the same question. And in the second question, what happened? The first question, they have given the values which we can eliminate easily. Okay, in the second question they didn't give the values which we can eliminate easily. Instead we did additional method, additional step to find out how do we find g value, f value and c value. And in this question, same way, but it's a little bit similar, little bit different in one step. As we keep on solving, you'll be reading. Okay. Now here you're having x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2f plus c square. This is the general equation of the circle. Now substitute, guys, from here to finding out the equations. Equation from the first point and the second point. Those are same. Both are same. Okay. We can. There's nothing but here. My work is to find out the equation from this point and equation from this point. Okay. So you try to find out the equation from this point and this point as we have done in the previous questions. There's nothing different. Till that you try to skip or solve the process, and then we will be doing with this one. Okay. We'll be doing the additional step where this question takes turn. So substitute 2 comma minus 3 in. Let this be equation 1 in equation 1. Okay, so substitute 2 comma minus 3 in equation 1. So this becomes what? 2 square plus of minus 3 square plus 2g. X means 2 plus 2f. Y means, so the x and y, right? You know this process. I'm feeling, okay. Guys, I feel that you know this process. That's why I'm going so fast. Okay, so just substitute. There's nothing to there's nothing difference in this process. Just try to substitute these values. Okay, 2 value in x and minus 3 value in y. So this becomes 4 minus 3 into minus, this becomes plus, right? So plus 9 plus 4g minus 6f plus c equal to 0. 4 plus 9, this becomes 13. So 4g minus 6f plus c equals to, take this 13 to the other side, this becomes minus 13. Let this be equation number 2 or second equation. Alright, now let's go for the next one over here. It's nothing but here you are getting substitute these points minus 4 comma 5 in equation 1. Okay, same as it is. Just go for general equation. Let this be x and let this be y. So minus 4 whole square plus 5 square plus 2g x means minus 4 plus 2f 5 means y plus c equal to 0. Clear? So minus 4 16 plus 25 minus 8g plus 10f. Simplify this. Okay, just try to simplify it. So 16 plus 25 is 41. So minus 8g plus 10f plus c equals to 41. Okay, I just simplified it. So here you got the third equation or equation number 3. Okay, here I have got the second equation and here I have got the third equation. Now guys, now what you do? what you do to find out the G value, F value, C value, there's nothing different. So guys, look over here. Here you're having 4G, 8G, 10F, 6F, CC and minus 13, 41. So there's nothing similar that you can just cancel it out and find out G value, F value, C value. There's nothing, no way that you can find out. But there is one way, the material way. So here you are having this equation. Okay, so this is the equation. Now from here try to understand the concept. Okay, from here try to understand the concept. So the concept goes like, here you are having the equation, so just take this equation over here. Okay, just copy this equation. So the equation is 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now guys, just make a look over here. You are having 4g, 6f, 8f, sorry 8g, 10f, and you are having 4x, 3y. Okay, you are having xy variables. Here you are having gf variables. Alright, are you getting it? Now our work is to convert xy into gf variable. Okay, you should convert xy into gf. So how do you convert? You can convert with the help of center of the circle. So what is the center of the circle? C equals to minus g comma minus f. Alright, C is equals to minus g comma minus f. So we will be using this C, C means center. Okay, you will be using C in the forward, in the next upcoming questions, where when you are actually going to solve concyclic, then C value is very important. C value, R value. So you'll be getting those values as we solve further questions. But guys, remember, center is nothing but minus g comma minus f. This is very important. This is kind of a formula you can remember. Okay, C is equals to minus g comma minus f. Now what you do is take C minus g comma minus f and substitute this value in this given equation. Alright, are you getting it? Take this minus g comma minus f C value and substitute in this given equation, so that let minus g be x minus f be y. So 4 into x means minus g plus 3 into y means minus f plus 1 equal to 0. Because I wanted to convert and I need to convert xy into g and f values. So this becomes minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the fourth equation that we got. This is the fourth equation. Alright, this is the second equation, this is the third equation, and this is the equation. Clear? Now what you do is, okay, we got with this is in the form of gf, this is in the form of gf. Wow, very good. This is in the form of gf2. And here now I should find out gf value. So how do you find out the gf value? Means, now guys, now observe clearly. Just observe a little bit clearly, because here you are having this second equation. Now you solve equation number 2 and equation number 3, because here you are having c value. Okay, you are having a variable c, and you are having only one. Okay, you are having only one. This is a constant. Are you getting it? This is a constant one. You are having a variable c. Remember, you can easily eliminate c, and you can bring this form into this form. Alright, you can eliminate c easily, and you can bring this form, equation 2 and equation 3 into this form. You will be getting only one whole new equation where you can easily solve that. Let's say I solve equation number 2 and equation number 3, c get eliminated, and I will be getting 4g. Let's say I will be getting 4g minus 6f plus 13 is equal to 0. This is an equation which is in the form of the fourth equation. Are you getting? Let me just do the process and you will be easily getting it. Okay, so here you are having solve equation number 2 and equation number 3. So this is the second equation, right? This is the second equation, and take the equation number 3, which is minus 8g plus 10f, right, plus c equals to minus 41 divided by. So here our minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus again, minus becomes plus. Clear? Okay. Now the sign converts. When you solve equations, the sign conversion happens, as I have said in the previous video. So 8, 4, how much? 12 minus 16. So this is 12g minus 16f. So plus c minus c gets cancelled. This is equals to Here go over here like 41. Oh, it's 28 plus 28. Okay, so this is what we got. So simplify this, guys. You can see here 12, 16, 28. So this goes with 2 table, 4 table. That's it, right? So now you can just simplify it with 4 table. 4 3s are 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 7 is 28. So therefore I got an equation. So the equation is 3g minus 4f plus 7. Let this be equation number 5 or 5th equation, right? This is the 4th equation, we got a 5th equation. Now guys, see over here, just make a look over here. Here you have 3g minus 4f. Transpose the 7 to the other side, this becomes minus 7, which is equals to 0. It's equal to 0. Alright? So this is the form of same. You're having GF and a constant over here. Finally, we brought into the forms. Okay. Now, here makes our process really very easy peasy. So here our process goes like. Now you take this. This is the 5th equation, right? This is the equation number 5 or 5th equation. This is the 5th equation. Here, what is my writing? So this is the 5th equation. This is the 4th equation. Now, from 4 and 5 equations. So here comes the process. Here's the different calculation which goes on. Okay. Here's the different calculation. Here I have 4th equation. Here you'll be having the 5th equation. Now, let this be G, F, and C. Clear? G, F, and C. Guys, remember, while solving this type of equations, there's a formula. This goes like B, C, A, B. B, C, A, B. Remember this. This is very important for the upcoming questions. It's very important. B, C, A, B. Remember this. Remember this alphabetical form. So B, C, A, B. So you consider this as A, B, C. Okay. Just write according to this method. According to this form. This is A, B, C, na? A, B, C, right? So here minus 3. B means minus 3. C means 1, right? 1. A means what? A means minus 4. B minus 3. Okay? Now here I have the 5th one, same as it is. Again B, C, A, B. A, B, C. This is the form of A, B, C. Now you take like B minus 4. C, right? B, C, A, B, right? B minus 4 minus 7. C, A, B. A, 3. B minus 4. Clear? Clear till here? Very good. Very good. Now G by now you try solving this one, guys. Here you'll be having the process. So what happens here is, remember, G upon, is the marker clear? Let me use the other one. Okay, this is good. So G upon. So here you are having okay. Here you are having G. G by, it's just make a cross multiplication. Here goes cross multiplication like this. Okay. So which is nothing but 3 into minus 7. Minus 3 into minus 7. How much? It's 21. Minus into minus plus, right? So this becomes like plus 21. Okay. So let me write down over here. It's plus 21. Okay. Now and again here you are having. Minus 4 into 1. How much? What's the value of minus 4 into 1? Minus 4. Very good. Minus 4 into 1? Minus 4. And into minus, this becomes plus 4. Okay. So guys, you might get doubt like why I wrote a plus 4 over here. Because just remember guys, when you are actually going through this process, the process goes like G by A minus B. Means G by A minus B. Means it's like the minus already exists over here. Okay, the minus already exists over here because here I have got minus 4, right? Okay, by solving, by just multiplying it, I got minus 4. But the minus already exists over here. Okay, here I am having minus into minus 4. How much? This becomes plus 4. So therefore I can write 21 plus 4. Are you getting it? Very good. So that's what I wrote a 21 plus 4 plus 4 1. This becomes 21 plus 4. Let me go for the other one, like other question for a better understanding. So as I keep on solving, you'll be getting to know. Which is equals to f by 1, this one. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 3, because you will be having a pause, so no sign, plus 3. Now coming back to here, 7 4s are 28. Minus 7 into minus 4 is plus 28. Clear? You will be getting a plus 28 here. But what here supposed to be? Here minus exists. So, are you getting it? Here it's supposed to be 28 plus 28. But here minus exists. So, this becomes minus 28. Are you getting it? So, this is a plus 28. Plus into minus, minus. So, therefore, you can just write like minus 28 over here. Clear? Hope you are getting it. 1 upon minus into minus plus. So this becomes plus 16. And again here 3 into minus 3 becomes minus 9. Already minus exists, as I have said. This becomes plus 9. Are you getting it? Should I write a separate? So 16 already minus exists. So minus 9 we got, because this is this. So minus into minus plus. So that's what I wrote, a plus 9. Clear? If not, in the further questions, as you keep on solving this, you will be definitely getting it. Okay? Clear till here, guys? Now we should find out. We should find out what? Let's use this part, guys. Till here you're clear. We got g by 21 plus 4, f by this, and this by this. Okay? So g by, what is the value of 21 plus 4? 25. All right. Again, f by, what is the value of 28 minus 3? Minus 28 plus 3. Minus 25, which is again 1 by 16 plus 9, which is 25. So, solve this up. Is that 9 g by 25 equals to 1 by 25. So, cross multiplication, this becomes g into 25 equals to 25. You take this 25 to the other side, it's getting multiplied. If you take this 25 to the other side, this becomes divided. So g equals to 25 upon 25. G equals to 1. Clear? I got a g value which is 1. And now let's go for this f value. Try to find out the f value. F by minus 25 equals to 1 by 25. Cross multiplication same as it is. So f into 25 equals to minus 25. F which is equals to minus 25 by 25. Okay, take this 25 to the other side, it's getting multiplied, and if you take this other to the other side, this becomes divided same as it is. Now this becomes 25 times 25 times 25 times 25. F equals to minus 1. Clear? So therefore we got the value g equals to 1 and f equals to minus 1. Alright, g equals to 1, f equals to minus 1. Now what you do is substitute this g is 1 and f is minus 1 in this equation, in the second equation. So we have got a second equation. So substitute g and f values in the second equation. Okay, substitute g and f. I got g value as 1 and f value as minus 1. Substitute g and f in equation 2. So this is the equation number 2. Clear? Second equation. Now it's 4 plus 6 plus c equals to minus 13. Clear? So 4 plus 6 how much? It's plus into minus and minus plus, right? So 4 plus 6 how much? 10. 10. So c equals to minus 13. So just take this 10 to the other side, this becomes minus 10 again. Okay, this is 10, right? Take this 10 to the other, this becomes minus 10. Isn't that true? C equals to minus 23. Clear? So therefore we got C value. C is nothing but minus 23. We got G is nothing but we got G value which is 1. F value minus 1. Clear? Now at last we found out G value, F value and C value. Clear? I hope we done 99.9% till here. We are done. And now what you do? They're asking to find the equation of circle. They're asking to find out the equation of circle passes to that point, but they're asking to find out the equation of circle at last. So to find out the equation of circle, which is nothing but x square plus y square, substitute g plus 2g, g as 1, oh my god, this is g, right? Sorry, 2, g means 1, x plus 2f, substitute f value, g value and c value in this given general equation. Substitute GFC in the given general equation. So 2 into 1x plus 2 into minus 1y plus minus 23 equal to 0. Now you keep on simplifying. This becomes 2x minus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. So this is therefore, this is the equation of the circle. Clear? Clear? Guys, this is the equation of circle. So every question is kind of similar to a particular point, but there you will be getting a little bit difference, but it's a slight difference. Let's say here they introduce a new equation. Okay, in this process, in this question, you should remember that you should find out the equation from this point, and just solve the equation from this point. We got two equations, and then solve this two equations to get a new equation. And from this given equation and the equation that you have already solved, so from that you can find out G, F value and substitute G and F value in the second equation over here or else here, and then you will be getting the C value, and take those three values G, F and C value and substitute in the general equation. From there you will be getting the equation of the circle. Clear? This is the process, guys. Try to practice, understand. That's it. And thank you so much for watching my video.